Hello, mathematicians. Welcome back to another Monday. Hopefully, it's morning time for you when you're getting started. I hope you had a good weekend. The weather was superbly amazing, and I hope you got a chance to get out and enjoy it while staying safe. All right, so we're going to get into post method. The teaching point today is mathematicians find multiple ways to solve problems by working together to discuss, present their solutions, and critique the reasoning of their peers. This is going to be post method number 24. So as you know, when we are doing post method, we are solving word problems. And when we're solving word problems at PS249, we use a method called solve. And with using solve, we're studying organizing the facts. So we are taking what we know from the problem and we are organizing so we can really figure out what we need to do with this information. We're taking this information, we're lining up a plan, and we're verifying our plan with action. So this is going to be the strategies that you use to actually solve the problem. You want to also make certain that you are labeling any units if necessary. This is going to make your work appear clearer. You want to examine your work by checking your work. And what this will do is this will allow you to really backtrack to see, did you do all steps correctly? Lastly, but not least, you want to make certain that you're using mathematical language. So you're taking that academic vocabulary that you've learned in the unit and applying it to your thinking in the form of a sentence. All right, let's get into the problem. Part A. Miss Hans received 2 1/10 bags of chocolate for Mother's Day from her class and 40 hundredths of a bag of chocolates from a few students from last year's class. She shared 1 2/10 with other teachers and took the rest of the chocolate home. How many bags of chocolate did she take home? Convert from fractional form to decimal form. Part B, stepping up the rigor. So this means it's going to be a little bit more challenging. If Miss Hans decided to share 2/10 of the remaining chocolate with her family, how much chocolate will she have for herself? Hopefully she has enough. So what I would like for you to do is I want you to pause here. When you're pausing here, I want you to stop and I want you to think about concepts you already know. That's going to help you solve this. You might want to go back and look at some of your notes in your notebook to help you do some reflection. Then what I want you to do is I want you to set your timer. Okay, you're going to set your timer and then you're going to set your time for about 8 minutes to solve the problem. If you need a little bit more time, that's perfectly fine. But give yourself a reasonable amount of time to solve it. Then take 3 minutes to discuss with a partner on Google Classroom. I want you to push yourself to really invite a friend so you can really discuss. And then I want you to try to invite another friend and to discuss further and see if you guys come with the same answer. Take a few minutes to then come up with a group answer and then post your answer individually in the question box of the actual assignment. Be sure to take some time to give one other person feedback, okay? After you've done this, I want you to also take a minute, do some reflection for yourself. Think about what's something that you did well today. What's something you need to continue to work on? Jot that down. This way you have this in the back of your mind and you can actually push yourself and set goals in order for you to do. When you are speaking with in your groups, you are using the group discussion prompts that are provided to you here. They are also inside of the assignment, so you can refer to them there. But I want to make sure that you're using this language so that you are having very academic conversations and that you're staying on task and using reasonable critiques and that critiques that are going to help you guys set goals and really reflect on what you're doing and how you're thinking. Okay. If you have any questions, please reach out to myself or your teachers and we'll be happy to support. Have a great day, guys. Bye.